Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today let's have a discussion about this little cutie. It's a bag you may have seen in some of my previous videos and even in my shorts video, and I've got one lovely subby who fell in love with this bag and asked me to have more information about it, so I thought it was a nice idea to make a review. Because this bag is finally worth a review, I'm going to explain you why. So let's discuss about it. I got this bag for quite a long time now in my collection, and I still remember where I have bought it and why I chose this color. But some little information before. This bag is a Longchamp bag from the Foulonné line. If you have no clue what is Foulonné leather, have a look at my video. The video I will link, you will have all information about it. I am crazy about Foulonné leather because it's a leather, yes, nearly perfect. It is soft, time resistant, scratch resistant, and I love it. I really love it, and a bunch of my collection is concerning SLG and bags in Foulonné leathers because I just love it. And just to show you this bag, look at it. I got it for really a long time. I'm talking, yes, more than 10 years, really more than 10 years. And look at it. I just begin to have some little rub color, and that's all. Apart that, everything is working great, and I'm still using this bag for running errands, and I just love it. And as I explained to my subby, this bag does not have a proper name. If you know Longchamp, when Longchamp propose bag in the Foulonné line, most of the time they don't have a proper name. Some exception exist, for example the Saint-Honoré bags, which are part of a Foulonné leather line, but other than that, it's quite not usual for Longchamp to give a name. So this bag was just called at that time crossbody bag. And I will write you the dimension. It's not so tiny bag. It seems tiny, but you can fit all your essential, and I even have a continental wallet who can fit inside. So let's have a quick look. You have silver hardware. So as I told you, the color is red, and at that time it was just red name. And it's like that. And you have a zip for the opening, and you have one main compartment. And what I like with Foulonné is that most of the time the inside, this one is with ruban jacquard Longchamp, is always the matching color, and I think it's really cute. So you have a gorgeous red. So you have one main compartment, and here, if you can see, you have a massive, really a massive flap pocket. It's not a separation, it's really the flap pocket. And that's all. So you can think this bag is boring because you can not make something more easier, more simple, but it's really not boring. And I'm going to show you why. As you can see, the strap, which is all in leather, and this is something I really appreciate, it's not adjustable. So you can wear it on the shoulder. I am a petite, so I can wear it crossbody. But today you can also, if you are tall, wear it crossbody, and the bag will be here, and it's quite a vibe. A lot of people are wearing sling bag like this. But if you have seen, you got a hole here because this bag enables you a little metamorphosis. You just have to open this up like this, and you make it here, and this part you place inside. You see? And your bag is now a baguette bag, a shoulder baguette bag, like this. And this is a game changer. So you can easily have your bag for the day, crossbody or on the shoulder like a traditional bag, and you can then transform it at night as a baguette bag or a shoulder bag, wherever you want to call it. I fell in love with this system. To be honest, I'm wearing it more crossbody or on the shoulder, but it's nice to know that you can make this change. And I remember the price I have paid for this bag, and it was 150 euro. I don't remember all the price of my bags, but I remember this one because it's a simple price. The sad thing is that I wish Longchamp bring this kind of bag, a bag, simple, easy, practical. Of course, in the Foulonné line today, you have this kind of bag. If you look at the rectangular, I got 4 of them. I love them, of course, but I will be really happy they produce this kind of shape bag. They have done it in the Longchamp Essential and also in the Longchamp Foulonné line, but I will explain you. I'm laughing because I will explain you in my next video concerning the new item for Spring/Summer 2025. The new one is called Foulonné, but there is nothing Foulonné inside. It's a kind of tissue and so on, but I'm happy to see this shape bag, but I wish they made it with the leather. So maybe in the future this bag will come back. The only thing is that I doubt they will think about a system to change the size of the strap. The thing is that the price will not be the same. So I keep this bag because I love it, I use it, and I am super happy. And sometimes I see this bag on the second-hand market. I'm tempted to add more colors, but you know, I am always a bit anxious about second-hand item because when I say pristine, my bags are in pristine condition. People sometimes say pristine, but their bags are completely destroyed. So that's one of the reasons why I don't buy second-hand. But I wish I had bought more of this bag. Seriously, maybe a black one, or yes, this bag is truly great. So here it is, and simple but right to the point. Perfect, seriously perfect. It's the kind of bag you can use it all day long because it fits a bunch. Voila! I hope I have answered all the questions of my subby. If you are wondering about a bag which lasts in time, I can tell you that Foulonné bags from Longchamp are great. I've got this example. I've got many examples in my collection, but this one is really a nice example because I can tell you I use it a bunch. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you have seen a bag in particular in my previous video and I haven't done a special review about it, please do not hesitate. Ask me in the comment section that I make a proper review about it. Have a great day. Take care and see you soon for more videos. Bye bye.